All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Moccasin module. We're going to be doing some light reading inside of a new section of the module. Yesterday we finished up the Moccasin testing. And today we're going to dive into deploying to Sepolia network. So let's dive right in. So in this section, we will go over the concept and the process of deploying to the Sepolia network. Deploying to the Sepolia network involves several steps, including setting up our deployment environment, configuring our deployment settings, and finally deploying our small contract to the Sepolia test network. These are the steps that it would take to actually achieve that. So step one, we would set up the deployment environment. And you can actually read through all of this. I'm not going to read every step because it is a quick little section inside of this module, so it's going to go over really quickly. Step two would consist of configuring our deployment settings. So you can see this is everything with step two. Step three will be deploying the smart contract. This is everything that involves in that step. Let's move down. And then for the conclusion, so deploying to the Sepolia network is a crucial step in the development of blockchain applications. It allows developers to test our small contracts in a live environment before deploying them to the main net. By following the steps outlined above, we can successfully deploy our small contracts to the Sepolia network and continue our development process. Now, note this step is optional. It can be skipped if you do not wish to deploy to the Sepolia network, which we will not be doing. I just wanted to go over this section with you just because it was a part of the module. But again, this is optional, and we will not be taking this step because Sepolia is a test network, and we don't actually want to focus on deploying to test networks. We want to focus on a live thing. So basically, we won't be doing any of that. I just wanted to read over the information that actually consists of the steps that helps us achieve that goal. So with that being said, we're done with this section in this module, and we're going to be starting a new section tomorrow. This one is going to be verifying deployed. Sorry about that. Verifying deployed contracts. So look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10,